So here we are going to demonstrate about groundnut sealing machine. So the main components of our project are AC induction motor. So here we are going to use an half HP induction motor, a single phase, which will be giving as an input feeding to the 4-inch pulley. So this 4-inch pulley is going to give an bell drive to the 14-inch pulley. So this is an B-type, whereas the bottom is an 14-inch and top one is an 14-inch, and the belt length is 71 inches. So here you can see the model number of the belt. So this will be going to rotate the 20 mm right shaft rod, which is connected to the cutting wheels. So these cutting wheel is going to break the shells of the groundnuts. So when the shell is being breaked, the outlet of that will be giving as an output feeding at the bottom end. So at the bottom you can see the fan which blows away the shells, and whereas the peanuts will be falling on the ground. So this frame is made up of with the mild steel and UCP bearings, which is an 204, and we have used arc welding to manufacture it. And whereas for the casing we have used an GI sheet and frame with 1-inch square pipes and 3x4 square pipes, and the entire side frame is made up of with 1-inch square pipes. So whenever the groundnuts will be dropped inside the container, so the container have an hole which will be falling on the cutting blades. So there is a green color mesh which indicates that helps to withhold the groundnut at the bulk point and helps to break the shell and gives out the output. So let us see the demonstration how it works. So we will be plugging on the switch. So when we plug on the switch, so there will be an vibrations over here. So with this makes the entire system to rotate and gives out the output. So this is how the entire system is being fabricated by using an arc welding. Thank you.